Hello, my name is Yolita Brilliant. I'm the owner of Brilliant Massage and Skincare, and today I wanted to talk to you how we taking precautions to stay clean during COVID and operating on obviously masks. These are super helpful. We also, when we work close to the face, like facials for example, we wear these, and we use, of course, sanitizers always for the hands, and we use Virex. This is hospital grade. It kills, it says 100% of all sorts of even like hepatitis and human coronavirus when used as directed on hand, as you can see. So this is very strong disinfectants and cleaners that we use. And as well, we use barbicide. Let me show you here. Liquid and wipes we have in other rooms more. And of course, you know, we're always changing all the sheets, blankets, washing everything. We use paper towels, the disposable napkins, gloves. We do facials with gloves. Massage we do without the gloves, but there's usually no close contact to the face. Person is often laying face down, like in a face cradle with a mask on. And we haven't had any issues so far. Haven't had anyone that told us that they had it that's been here. We ask when people book online, they have to agree to our contact tracing system. And as well, people have been very responsible in quarantining if they did travel somewhere. They've been very honest to tell us that, thankfully. And they've been working from home and they're not high risk. We've been working with them, so people have been good, and thankfully we can still help people to reduce their pain and stress. Yeah, let us know if you have any questions in the comments down below, and follow me on Instagram at Yolita Brilliant. And since I'm only one in here right now, I can take this off because I kind of feel funny when I'm the only person and I'm still wearing a mask. But anyway, hope you have a brilliant day and stay healthy, and happy 2021. Hope it will be a little more predictable and better year for everyone.